Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Liana Aisyah and today our group will talk about smart cooling shoes. In hot and humid weather, our feet can easily feel hot and uncomfortable when wearing shoes for a long time. This usually happens because heat gets trapped inside the shoe and cannot escape properly. Most normal shoes are not designed to control temperature, so this problem is very common, especially during daily activities such as walking, studying, or exercising. Smart cooling shoes are designed to solve this problem by using simple technology to reduce heat inside the shoe. These shoes work by improving air circulation and controlling heat transfer to keep the feet cool. By applying basic physics concept, smart cooling shoes can increase comfort, reduce sweating, and help maintain better foot hygiene in everyday life.
Smart cooling shoes are designed to solve the problem of excessive heat and sweating inside shoes. Many people, especially athletes, students, and outdoor workers, wearing shoes for a long hours every day. As a result, heat builds up inside the shoes due to poor air circulation. This high temperature can cause discomfort, tired feet, bad odor, and even skin problems such as blister and fungal infections. In hot and humid climates, normal shoes that rely on passive ventilation are not effective. Therefore, smart cooling shoes are needed to actively control the temperature inside the shoes. This helps improve comfort, foot hygiene, and overall performance during daily activities.
Next is approach. Our approach utilizes a kinetic energy recovery system built into the sole that captures energy from the foot natural rotational mechanics during a stride to power a thermoelectric cooling plate. Second, our shoes act as an active heat pump moving thermal energy away from the sole of the foot and exhausting it through lateral vents, maintaining a constant internal temperature, which is 22 degrees Celsius. Next is benefit of our shoes. Unlike passive breathable shoes, our active cooling provide a quick response, lowering the internal temperature within 30 seconds of movement. Second, our solution is better, faster, and cheaper in terms of health outcomes, providing a 40% reduction in moisture buildup compared to standard athletic footwear.
Competition. Standard ventilated shoes. These rely on passive mesh fabric which are ineffective in high humidity or when the user is stationary. Cooling sock and powders. They provide only temporary relief and require constant replacement, leading to higher long-term costs. Then, phase change material (PCM) insert. While they absorb heat, they actually saturate and lose effectiveness, requiring recharging in a fridge. Competitive advantage. The smart cooling shoe provides active, adjustable cooling using integrated technology, ensuring constant thermal relief regardless of external conditions. And lastly, sustainability and innovation. Unlike chemical-based solution, this electronic system is reusable, rechargeable, and adapt to the real-time temperature needs. Key needs: thermal comfort and foot hygiene. Regulated internal temperature. Maintain a cool environment inside the footwear to prevent heat exhaustion during long hours of walking or exercise. Improve foot health and hygiene. Actively reduce perspiration, which prevent the growth of bacteria, fungi, and unpleasant odors. Enhance physical performance. Helps athlete and worker maintain stamina by preventing foot fatigue caused by overheating. So why it is important? Tropical climate adaptation. High ambient temperature in regions like Malaysia makes standard closed shoe uncomfortable and unhygienic. And health prevention. Prolonged heat and moisture lead to skin infection like athlete foot, active cooling mitigates this risk.
I will explain the problems faced by users of conventional shoes and how our invention provides an effective solution using physics concept. First problem is heat buildup inside shoes. One of the main problems with normal shoes is heat accumulation. When people walk or stand for long periods, heat gets trapped inside the shoes because airflow is very limited. Next, we have excessive sweating and moisture. Due to poor ventilation, sweat cannot evaporate easily. As a result, moisture builds up inside the shoes. Third problem, we have discomfort and foot fatigue. Hot and wet condition inside the shoes cause foot discomfort and fatigue. Lastly, we have bad odor and hygiene issues. The combination of heat and moisture encourage the growth of bacteria and fungi. This leads to bad odor and can cause foot health problems. Based on the problems, we come up with few solutions, which is self-ventilating system using walking motion. Our smart cooling shoes use the natural walking motion of the user to create airflow inside the shoes. This means the shoes cools itself while the user walks. Next, rotating air channels in the shoe sole. Small rotating air channels are embedded inside the sole. When the user walks, these channels rotate and push hot air out while pulling cooler air in. Third solution, improve heat transfer through convection. The continuous airflow enhances convective heat transfer. Lastly, we use breathable and thermally efficient materials. The shoe is made from breathable materials that help heat escape while maintaining comfort and also durability.
What will happen if need did not meet? First, shoes will feel hot inside. Heat stays trapped in the shoe because there is no proper airflow. Second, feet become wet and uncomfortable. Sweat builds up inside the shoe and makes it feel damp. Third, walking becomes tiring. Hot and wet feet can cause discomfort and make the feet feel tired faster. And the last one is shoes may smell bad. Moist and warm conditions allow bacteria to grow, causing bad odor and hygiene problems.
Now we move to the physics concepts. The smart cooling shoes apply several physics concepts related to heat and energy. First, heat transfer occurs through conduction, where heat from the foot is transferred into the shoe material. This design helps reduce heat accumulation by allowing heat to dissipate efficiently. Next is convection. Built-in airflow channels or small fan created for convection, which move air inside the shoes and carry away heat and moisture. This lowers the temperature inside the shoes. In addition, thermoelectric cooling using the Peltier effects can be applied to absorb heat from the foot and release it to the surrounding environment. Finally, electrical energy from a rechargeable battery is converted into mechanical energy for airflow or thermal energy for cooling. Suitable materials with good thermal properties are used to ensure comfort and efficiency.